Hello guys, welcome to DennisTechTips. In this video, I am going to show you how to extract text from a photo file. If you have a photo file that has some text in it and you want to make use of that text, or you want to extract that text from the photo file, you can use any of this method that I'm about to show you. So this is going to be a quick one. I'm not going to waste much of your time. So let's get started. So right here in my desktop, I have this photo that I want to extract the text. One way I can do this is to use Sharex. Sharex is a screen capture application. That is, you can use Sharex to take screenshots. You can also use Sharex to do other amazing things, of which one of them is extracting text from a photo file. If you want to learn more about Sharex, I have a beginner's tutorial on how to use Sharex on this channel. You can go ahead and click on the link in the description to see that video. So to use Sharex to extract text from a photo file, you are going to head over to the Tools menu. Within the Tools menu, you are going to click on the OC arrow option. Immediately you click on that, you can then go ahead and highlight the text you want to extract from the photo, just like this. And immediately you see the text right here. So from here, you can go ahead and copy it by hitting on this Copy All button, and then paste it wherever you want in the system or wherever you want to use it. Now that is how to use Sharex to extract text from a photo file. Another way to extract text from a photo file is to use Microsoft Word. You probably know how to do this before. It is simply just saving the photo file as a PDF and then opening the PDF again in Microsoft Word. It's very easy, so let's just run through that. So first of all, I'm going to insert the photo in Microsoft Word. I have it on my desktop, so I'm going to select my desktop. Here it is, select and then click on the insert button. So now I have the photo in Microsoft Word. Now it's time to save it as a PDF. So I'm going to head over to File, Save As, Browse. First, I'm going to select the location where I want to save it, that is my desktop. I'm going to leave this default name the way it is and then change the save as type to PDF and then click on save. So now I have the photo saved as PDF. I can now get rid of this and then open that PDF in Microsoft Word. So head over to open. I'm going to browse. Here I have it. So I'm going to select it and then click on the open button. So right here I have this message saying Word will now convert your PDF to an editable Word document. This may take a while. The resulting Word document will be optimized to allow you to edit the text. So it might not look exactly like the original PDF, especially if the original PDF contained lots of graphics. Okay, I'm okay with that, so I'm going to hit on the OK button. And immediately you see the text has been extracted from the PDF file. I can now go ahead and edit this text, copy and paste it wherever I want. So that is it, guys. That is how to use Microsoft Word to extract text from a photo file. So the last method I'm going to show you in this video is how to use Google Drive to extract text from a photo file. So here I'm in my browser. On the search, I'm going to search for google.com. So here I'm in the google.com website. Within the site, I'm going to select the Google App button. When I click on that, I am going to select Drive. So right here within Google Drive, all I need to do is to upload the photo. So I'm going to click on this new button and then head over to File Upload. So I have the file on my desktop. Here it is, select it and then click on Open. So immediately the file is uploaded, you are going to head over to the file. So here I have it. I'm going to right click on it and then move my mouse over to the Open With option and then select Open with Google Docs. So immediately the file is open in Google Doc. Right here at the top, I have the photo file, and right under the photo file, I have the extracted text from the photo file. So from here, I can edit this text, copy and paste it wherever I want. So that is it, guys. That is how to extract text from a photo file. If you find this video helpful, please give it a like and also support this channel by subscribing and turn on post notifications so you get notified when I post a new video. Thank you, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.